Our operations continue in the St. Elizabeth Division as we seek to locate and recover the remaining 7 persons who escaped out of the Black River lockup on the 19th of June. On Monday, at about 12 noon, a team led by myself and others journeyed in the hills of St. Elizabeth, right at this location where this unfinished structure is located. It is believed that the men were using this location as a base. We have seen evidence that persons were here. We have seen things such as cell phones that were burnt, spoons, liquor bottles, and important to note is that a body was also located in the nearby bushes. The body is in an advanced decomposed state, and therefore we have contacted our forensic scenes of crime for it to be fully processed. The investigations will continue. From the information we have received and intel that we're getting, it is believed that the body is one of the escapees. I wouldn't want to name him at this time until we would have got the scientific evidence. We will continue a search for the remainders, and we continue to make an appeal for them to surrender to the police and to turn themselves in with their attorneys.